Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit on Capcut on any device. Let's begin. So here we are, and first let's open our Capcut app in our phone. So let's open it, and from here we can have these options right here. So let's go and tap on new project, or you could also go for your past projects right here if you have one. So tap on new project and you can import your assets right here, your videos and photos, but we will not be using my photos or videos. We will be using stock videos right here. So to add it, you simply have to select the clip. So for example, I want this one, so I want to tap on it and it will be like this. You can preview it, you can even crop it right here. But if you are going to add two or more assets like photos or videos, then you can just tap here on the circle at the top right of that video right here so that you can add more than one. So from here, once you're finished, you can tap on the add button at the bottom. So tap on it. And from here we are now in our workspace. And the first thing that I'm going to show you is how you can rearrange or organize your clips. So that is very important in order for you to get the flow that you want. So to do that, you simply need to hold the clip, and from here you can drag it right here, right? So let me just go this way so that you can see better. So from here you can just go and drag this right here after holding it, and you can rearrange this, and as you can see, the positions have now been swapped. And that's basically how you rearrange your clips. And the next thing that I'm going to show you is the transition that you can have right here. So you want to go in between the clips. So once you're right here, you can see there is a box, white box right there, right? So you want to tap on it and you can see the transitions right here in the Capcut right here. So you can choose anyone you want. So for example, I want this one right here. So I'm gonna tap on it, and as you can see here it is. If you play the video, you can see the transition that is happening right there. And that's how you can add your transition. And the next thing that I'm going to show you is how you can split or cut your clip. So first you want to tap the clip or that you want to split or cut. And from there, you want to tap on this split button at the bottom. So you want to tap on split. And it's, as you can see, it has now been split into two videos right here. So where it splits is where your line, this vertical line right here, as you can see. So you want to reposition it to the moment or the time that you want to split your clip. So for example, I want to split it right about here, and you can also observe the time right here on when you are cutting. So let's say I want it here, and you want to click or tap on split, and as you can see, it is now split into different clips. And the next thing that I'm going to show you is the beauty of Capcut, which is the filters and its effects. So to do that, you can have the effects button right here. So you want to tap on the effects, and you want to go to video effects if you'd want to. But you can also go for body effects if you want to edit your body, if you have a human subject right there. So as you can see, you can have different effects right here. As you can see, that's the effect that I have chosen, and you have a lot right here. And this basically depending on what you want. And I have everything right here. I have a lot right here. So if you have a pro version, then you can have a lot of filters or effects right here. So if you want to add a filter, you want to select on the clip. And from here, you can actually add the filter by scrolling through your buttons right here. You just want to find filters, and you have it right here. So you want to click on it or tap on it, and you can see the filters right here that you want. So if I select this, as you can see, the video will change right there. And you can add the intensity right here. If you can also modify it on how intense the filter that you want it to be. And yeah, and you can also add text by going here, going back, don't select anything, go back, and you can add a text right here by clicking or tapping on the text button, and you can click here on add text right there, and you can add your text right here, my text, just like that. And as you can see, I have successfully added it into the video. And you can also have a lot of options for that, but that is for yours to explore. And that's basically it on how you can edit on Capcut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.